thought I would do my unboxing of my monthly wellness box order. And I thought I'd dress up a little as a cat for fun. And isn't this a cool shirt? Anyway, what I got this month, well, there's a little story. Okay, I got granola. I got 3 bags. You notice these are full. Really, I got the box 2 days ago and I opened it up quickly and I've already eaten a lot of the granola, but I didn't have time to make the video because it's really delicious and I like it in the morning. Sometimes I mix it with other granola or fruit or almond milk. Oh, another great idea. Friend added to their homemade cereal. So with the granola, I use almond milk. Now I'm adding, it's over on my counter, the Protein Complete, the vanilla spice. Put a little of that in my almond milk with my granola, fruit, or other things I throw in, nuts, seeds, whatever. Delicious, but the protein adds a little bit more protein to my breakfast. So granola, you have to try it. If you want a little taste or sample, let me know. I also got alkaline, and so I just fill up like a half a glass of water, usually distilled water, and then I think it's one level teaspoon of this. Put it in the water, stir it, it kind of like foams a little bit, and then I drink that at night to help my body become more alkaline while I'm sleeping. So I got, Super C. I reverse my screen so you can read it, but then it's really weird to sign or look at yourself opposite. Anyway, Super C is a great way to get your vitamin C. Your body doesn't make vitamin C, so you have to add it to your diet or supplements. Okay. Oh. Got the great charcoal bar soap. It's great. You can wash your face with it, but really you can wash your whole body with it. It's great for getting rid of kind of dirt and cleaning the skin. Oh, and I'm trying something new. Oh, you may see my dogs in a moment, or hear them. I'm gonna add these dried wolfberries, since they're so good for us. I'm going to add them to my granola in the morning. Also, I can actually give them to the dogs for a snack. You can have one of these. So they're here to say hello. Let's see if they can have these. Okay. What else? Okay. I know they're waiting. Oh. Okay. Want one? These are great. Great for dogs. You can give them. Okay, boys, go. So you can give your dogs the roller, the cardboard to play with. Okay. I got free. So when you order a certain amount of products in your monthly order, Young Living just gives you free stuff. So my free stuff was wintergreen essential oils, great to put on your shoulders after working out. The smell really just opens up your breathing too, so you could be diffusing it. Okay. And oops. My goodness. Ravent Sarah. I believe this one is good. This is a free one, so I might have to do a little more research on it. But I think it's also good for helping your respiratory system. And when things are free, you just kind of research what the essential oil, the product's for, and then you can try something new. And then what happens, if I like it, then I'll order more. So it's a great way to try some things that maybe you don't know about. So what else did I get? Here. Okay, back it up. Back it up. Okay. Oh, I. Sorry. Okay, I also got spearmint free. That's a great kind of uplifting essential oil. Smells great when you're diffusing. You can mix it with some other essential oils. I could probably even put, just try diffusing. I also ordered, the dogs are back. Kanzia, that's the new essential oil. Oh my goodness, from Convention. Okay, go. It's a beautiful kind of a light scent. I really like it. I like diffusing it. I can wear it. It also will help my sore muscles if needed, but it's also just really a beautiful scent. So I ordered that. That's so the things I ordered, and then I got, I think, 3 free essential oils. We got 3 or 4. And then you always get this great newsletter with information about the first annual International Essential Oils Day, a message from Mary, and explaining about the Young Living Foundation, what they're doing. 100 homes were rebuilt in Yarsa, Nepal, which is awesome. There's how to make your own DIY bath crayons for kids. They're recognizing different people who moved up in the company. Just a lot of helpful information. There's usually normally a recipe in every newsletter. So when you get an order or make your first order with a kit, you get this newsletter, and it's great. It has some good recipes. So this one is about grilled ratatouille. Get it the So it is great recipes. And then it talks about some of the farms around the world. So that's my monthly order. If you have any questions about any products that I'm using, or you want a little sample of something, let me know. It's a great benefit is when you order stuff, you get free stuff. And then also, because I've been a member of this monthly subscription wellness box, I get 25% back. So when I spend money, I get free products you saw, plus I get 25% back in points that I can use to get more free, yes, I said free products. So it's not like going to Walmart or Wegmans and you go shopping, but you get nothing back. So it's really a cool program. So I've just replaced things in my home, supplements, body, hair care, household cleaner, everything, and just use that monthly program. So, all right, that's it for August this month, and I'll be back next month to tell you what I ordered. Okay, have a good evening. Bye.